Hey guys, how you doing? Getting ready to take the Mustang on its first long drive of the summer, and we are headed, probably can't see it, but the family farm is right over there on the side of that ridge. See how she runs. My wife following me, because why not? This is probably about 5 miles driving distance. So just to update you guys what I've done to this since I can't even remember where I left off on the channel. I was having issues with the passenger side front wheel rubbing. I replaced the lower control arm and the sway bar link just because I had done those to the passenger, or just because I had done those to the driver's side, and that helped significantly. I also replaced the strut rod, because I replaced the strut rod on this side with an adjustable strut rod. And with that, I was able to get the kind of clearance I needed. Now, I do need to have an alignment done on it, or try to do an alignment myself, I don't know. But it actually steers pretty straight as is, so I'll probably just leave it. And I will eventually get new tires for it, and when I do, they'll be a little bit smaller. The tires that I have on this are a little too big. But the plan is, see, I still get a little bit of rubbing, but it's not nearly as bad as it was. The plan is to drive this for the summer and get started on the Clydesdale project. channel or not, but I replaced the front brake drums, and that took out all the wobble in the brakes. She runs pretty good. Gonna drive her around a little bit more today, enjoy her. Like I said, I think we're gonna be back soon with the Clydesdale. Plan is to get it moved in the next couple weeks to my house in the garage so we can get started on it. So until then, guys, stay driven.